Cervantes. I'm an FCS student from Serapin C. Rosero Memorial High School, and I'm here to discuss about kitchen brigade system. Is the member of the hot kitchen, executive chef, the head of the kitchen. Sous chef, the second in command who assists the executive chef. Saucier, the sauce chef who is responsible for preparing sauce. Diner, the fish chef who prepares fish and seafood dishes. Grillden, the grill chef who prepares all the grilled foods. Patisserie, the roast who prepared roasted, broiled, and braised meat. And cremature, the vegetable chef who prepares vegetable soups in starches and eggs. Friturier, the fried chef who prepares fried dishes. Tournant, the roundsman who can work in any station as needed. Commis, the junior chef who assists the station chef in food preparation and cooking. Member of cold kitchen, gardemonger, the pantry chef who prepares cold dishes. Carpenter, the butcher who prepares and processes meats. Butcher, the one who cuts meats and poultry. Patissier, the pastry chef who creates pastries. Glazier, the chef who specializes in making ice cream and frozen desserts. Decorator, the chef who designs and creates showpieces. Commis, the junior chef who assists the guardmonger and other cold kitchen chefs.